President Fernandez, it's a big honor and pleasure have you with us today here at Lives Amplify Global Institute World Leaders. Incredible people, incredible atmosphere. Could you share how this event was for you?
Well, everything is about interacting. It's about networking. And so I met so many wonderful people doing great things to change the world from different places, and they all have their stories to tell. And so I learn from them. I see what they're doing. And that also makes me more sensible, to have some sort of connection to people's needs. Because at the end, it's how can we relate to solve people's needs. And so I learn from the different proposals and the different programs that they have. So listening to them tonight, I have strengthened my view about the need to collaborate with different sectors, but also to responding to the world's needs.
What do you think makes unique this institution?
I think it makes it unique because people come from different walks of life. You have very rich business people. You have people in the civil society, people that are in the philanthropy sector. Others are professionals in media like yourself. Others are medical doctors, engineers. They all come together, sharing the same view, and how to make a contribution, a collaboration to make the world a better place to live. So just creating this connection strengthens people who want to do well, people who want to contribute. And I think that's marvelous. I think that's awesome.
What is your vision actually on the world? So definitely we have a lot of problems, but then at the same time we have a lot of amazing people who we see here, right, who really bring these changes to the world. So what is the world that you would like to see personally for your children, for the next generations?
At this moment, the world is uncertain. There is a lot of instability around the world. Armed conflicts, old armed conflicts like Israel and Gaza on this occasion. So we don't want this world. We want a peaceful world, a world of understanding, of tolerance, flexibility, a stable world where you can look at the future with hope. And at this moment, the world looks hopeless, but I know it is not hopeless. I know that if we work together, good will overcome evil. And at the end, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. So I am optimistic, even though I know we're going through challenging times.
100% support your vision for the peace, for everything, because that's what everybody feels right now when needed. Thank you so much for your leadership to make steps towards to it. Thank you so much, and it's a big honor.
Thank you so much, and I wish you well in everything you do.
Thank you so much. Thank you.